Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Garmin 1030. First, power on your new device. You'll be guided through selecting your language, units like miles or kilometers, and the time format. Next, download the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone and pair your Edge 1030. This crucial step allows for seamless data transfer and software updates. Just follow the simple on-screen instructions to get started with your new cycling computer. Now, let's personalize your riding experience. Head into the Activity Profiles menu. Here, you can create distinct profiles for road, mountain biking, or even indoor training. Within each profile, you have the flexibility to customize your data screens. You can add or remove various data fields, such as current speed, average power, or heart rate, arranging up to 10 fields per screen to see exactly what matters most to you during your ride. Next, let's explore the powerful navigation features. Your Garmin 1030 comes with a preloaded Garmin cycle map, offering detailed routing. You can create new courses directly on the device or easily import them from the Garmin Connect platform. Enjoy precise turn-by-turn directions and timely alerts for upcoming turns, ensuring you stay on track. Discover new routes and points of interest with confidence, making every ride an adventure. Finally, let's enhance your data collection and safety. You can easily pair various ANT+ and Bluetooth smart sensors, including heart rate monitors, speed sensors, and cadence sensors, to get comprehensive ride data. Connect to Garmin Varia radar and lights for increased awareness on the road. Don't forget to set up incident detection and emergency contacts for added peace of mind. Plus, delve into advanced metrics like cycling dynamics to optimize your training.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.